I just want to give a shout out to Chef Jana because I saw her do this technique to make vegan cream cheese and it inspired my recipe. So you want to take unsweetened plain soy milk here, add that to a saucepan, and we're going to cook this until 180 degrees. Now, if you don't have a thermometer, that's okay. Just cook it to the point right before it starts boiling. Once that is nice and warm, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of white distilled vinegar. As you can see, it's going to curdle pretty immediately, so you just want to gently mix that around without disturbing the curds. Allow that to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then place a bowl under a strainer covered by cheesecloth and strain out the curds. Allow that to cool until it's easy to work with, and then you're just going to twist together the cheesecloth and strain out as much liquid as you can. The more liquid you're able to squeeze out, the thicker your cream cheese will be. Once you have strained out as much liquid as possible, you'll be left with this thick soybean curd. And we're just going to add that into a blender with 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of coconut cream, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a 1/2 teaspoon of miso paste, and blend that on high until smooth and creamy. Now you're going to take a tablespoon of canola oil and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and you're going to emulsify that into this mixture while the blender is running. You may need to use a spatula just to help out the oil integrate into the cream cheese. Now just set that into a container and allow it to chill for at least 4 hours before using. Once it's set, it should be nice, thick, and creamy. Ooh, look at that.